Can you jump?
Whoa, throw the dirt. Whoa.
Whoa, don't fall down.
Stop and lay down in the dirt. What?
Alright, let's go hiking.
Look at Daddy. Turn around. Turn
Oh my goodness. Look at your shirt.
It's covered in dirt.
Okay, let's go hiking.
Let's go hiking. Come on, let's go hike.
Don't fall.
Watch out for the steps.
Hop. Jump up. Jump. Oh. Ouch. You got, you're on your own, bud. You gotta be more
Okay,
careful.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Where's Mom? Go get Mommy.
Park early. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Someone did it to me. Watch out for the step. Stop. Another step.
You about bust his ass again.
You mean his butt?
Yeah.
Yep.
Go.
Up. All right.
This is gonna be the best video ever.
Hey. Hi. How's it going? Yeah, watch where you're going. Watch. You gotta watch the ground. Yeah, you gotta watch. Watch where you're walking. Yeah. I don't remember this falling. This tree.
That's the one we used to sit on and take
It is?
pictures of. Yeah.
Seems like we got here fast.
Look who's leading.
You want to climb a tree, Papa? Is it too tall?
It is pretty tall. Watch out.
Oh, you're all right. Okay, that's so Daddy.
What you got in your mouth? You got some dirt in your mouth?
And a cut on his little lip.
Oh no.
Do you want a drink of water? Yeah. He's got. Oh.
Mommy's got the water.
Yeah. And a cut on his lip, dirt in his teeth. Spit. Yeah. Do it again. Do it again. Get some water. Okay. Now spit. All right. Is that better? All right.